Welcome and congratulations on your new Atlas desk. With a quick 40-minute assembly, you can start enjoying your beautiful new Atlas desk. Let's get started. You've no doubt picked a spot for your new workspace, but have you cleared it completely? Now we've got to assemble the Jarvis desk base using its included instructions. Remove those rubber grommets from the top of the Jarvis base. They get in the way and restrict wood's natural movement. Leave the center frame set screws loose so the base can expand. Using packaging materials to protect the desktop, let's position the desk upside down with the drawer fronts facing their future workspace. Now, using the hex key provided in the Start Here pack, remove the bottom cord bay of the Atlas and set it aside. Great! Open and remove the two side drawers of the Atlas. Just give the orange drawer clips a squeeze. Let's slide the Jarvis base into the Atlas. This design allows you to access the full range of movement available with your desk base. Were the base mounted to the bottom of the desk, you'd lose a massive 6 inches of travel. Almost done. Attach that Jarvis base to the Atlas using the included 5/8 of an inch assembly screws. Warning, if you use any screws longer than 5/8 of an inch, you will severely and permanently damage the desktop. So do please double check that the assembly screws are 5/8 of an inch. Best practice for attaching the base is to leave screws loose until all screws are installed. Tighten screws only after they are all in place. This will make aligning holes much easier. Okay, let's snug up those set screws in the Jarvis base. When you tighten screws, just snug them up. No need to over-tighten. No bonus points for damaging screw threads. Install the controller handset onto the Atlas. Again, snug, but don't over-tighten the screws. Okay, run the controller cable into the desk and plug it into the Jarvis desk base. Take the time to make this neat and tidy. You know you'll never revisit this, so let's get it right the first time. Put the cord bay back into place. Reattach it using the same assembly bolts that held it in place during shipment. Don't over-tighten those bolts. Flip your desk. You'll probably want a second person for this, so just carefully roll it by pulling the legs toward you and carefully placing the feet on the floor. Lift the desktop to complete the roll, and do remember to lift with your legs. Best to do a practice lift. Reinstall the drawers. Slide them in place till you hear click. Tidy up packaging materials. Slide desk into place. Admire your work. Well done and wonderful choice. Now you get to set up your equipment. Hide those cords in the cord bay. Let us know how assembly went for you. And please do send us pictures of your setup. We'd love to see your Atlas in its new home. And remember to leave us a positive review if you love your desk. Reviews are vitally important to a small artisan business like ours. Thanks again. We hope you love your desk.